Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We've just got a video here today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2011 Subaru Legacy. Now there's a bit of a procedure on this. I'll run through it and I'll just show you the procedure in writing at the end as well. Now to start with, we're just going to turn the ignition on. Then we've got to apply the handbrake. So we're pushing the lever in there. Then we'll start the engine. And keep the brake pedal depressed. Then you'll need to turn the rear heated screen on, and then turn the parking lights on, then turn the heated screen off, then turn the parking lights off, and we need to repeat the same procedure again. So rear screen on, parking lights on, rear screen off, parking lights off. Then you can release the pedal and the service light or the glow lights flashing there. Now keep waiting for 30 seconds. And once 30 seconds is up, all we're going to do is turn the engine off, and we can wait for 40 seconds before turning the engine back on. While waiting, I'll just show you the reset procedure on paper, because you have got to do it all within 4 seconds on the procedure. It's not too bad to do if you can just get it in your head, and just check where all the buttons are before you start it. So I think that's been 30 seconds now. So we'll turn the engine off, but we have done these before. So once 40 seconds is gone, you can just start it back up and the service light will all be reset. Thanks for watching. If the video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time.